Classify figures by coordinates. So this assignment takes a little bit of work. Quadrilateral ABCD has the following vertices. That means like the edges of the shape, the corners. So ABCD, I'm going to put this into Desmos. Okay, so it's asking if this thing is a parallelogram, which means that our sets of sides are parallel to one another. So I'm going to snip this so I can draw on it. So a parallelogram would mean that this is parallel to that, and this side is parallel to that side. So we're going to need to do some slopes. So going from, I actually don't like this image. I'm going to re-snip it. Let's go back. I don't like that. We can't see here. I think I can do. There you go. That's a little better. Okay, I'm going to snip that one. So we're going to check the slope of my red and compare that to my blues. So the slope here for our red ones, we'll go from this point down here. We're going to count up to our other point. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the slope for this line is 9 over 8. It's the same thing with my other red line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we already know that they're not parallel. Let's just check the blue while I got this up. So blue, we rise down 1. I'm going from this point down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 over 6. And then this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So they're not parallel. This would need to match this, and then the same thing with the reds would need to match this, and they do not match. So let's go back to the question. No, because AB is not parallel to CD. So I didn't label my points. So 2, 7, 8, 1. So 2, 7, so this was A. Then 8, 1, this is B. 1, negative 9. 1, negative 9. And this is C, and this is D. So let's look at the question again. It's either C or D. So C is AB is not parallel to CD. Let's see if that's right. AB, not CD. So AB is here, and CD is there. Oh, and actually, now that I think about it, those are actually, because this cancels. This will be turned into 1, and this also turns into 1. So those two sides are parallel. So that fact is actually true. What's not true is AD is not parallel to BC. Oops. So BC not to AD. Okay. So I have these points plotted. It's asking if this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Now, an equilateral triangle means all of our sides are the same length. So let me snip it so I can draw. Okay, so going from A to B, that's pretty easy. You just have to count over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 over. From B to C, we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. So going down and over, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up. So 9 squared plus 5 squared, 81, and 25. 81 plus 25 gives us 106. And then we square root both sides, so we get the square root of 106. That does not equal 10. So we do not have an equilateral triangle here. I'll just finish it off and just confirm that it doesn't equal, or this, we'll just do this one too. So down and over. We know down is 9. We know going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 9 and 5. So this side and this side are equal, but they do not equal that side. So AB is the question or the problem here. Let's see here. It's going to be this one. No, because BC is longer than AB. Okay, another one. It's asking if this is a right triangle, so I'll go plot this over in Desmos. Okay, got it plotted. It's asking if it's a right triangle. So let's connect the dots. Oops, that's a bad line. Okay, it looks like it might be, so let's do some math to confirm. This angle right here is going to be our right angle. So what we want to do is check the slope of A to C, which is this guy, and see if it's perpendicular to this guy. So the slope from A to C, we are rising up. I'll do it in green. So we go up and over, rise over run. So we're rising 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 over 10 or 3 over 5. So we need to have negative 5 over 3. So let's check that one. So we are rising down. Oops. All the way down there and then over. So rising down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So down 16 and running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Negative 16 over 10 simplifies to 8. Negative 8 over 5. And that's not good. We were looking for negative 5 over 3. So this is not a right triangle. AC is not perpendicular to AB. AC does not have a pair of perpendicular sides. Let's do one more. Asking for a parallelogram. I'm going to plot this. Okay, I got that parallelogram plotted. Let me snip it and bring it over. Okay, so we gotta check to see if our sides are parallel. So AB compared to DC or CD. And then AD to BC. So I'll do BC first. I'm going down and over. So we are rising 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So negative 12 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the other one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so far so good. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ooh, so far so good. Now let's do the blue. So rise over run, boom, all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we rose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20. Over 20. And here's well. We are going up 4, and how far over? So it is up 4. I just did that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ta-da! It checks out. Both sets of sides are parallel. So let's make sure we have it right. It's either going to be A or B. So AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. That's good. Oh, it needs to be this one because BC is parallel to AD. We don't want the perpendicular part.